In this WooCommerce plugin development tutorial, we will add custom field to our product and we will display that custom information in the single product page. For that, I create a plugin in environment and I also included header and our plugin name and plugin description. And we will do this in this 3 step. First, add custom field to a product edit page, and second, we will save our data, and third, we will display our data. In the beginning, we have to use WooCommerce hook in add action. So our hook is WooCommerce product WooCommerce product option, general product data, and our callback function is add custom field to product so let's create a function with this callback function. So to show our data, we have to use WooCommerce function WooCommerce WP text input. In this function, we have to pass an array. In this array, first field our ID, which is our name, table column name. This is important. And the name is custom product field. And second parameter is label. Custom field for product. This is WooCommerce. Third one is our custom field placeholder. Enter custom value. You can set whatever you want. Here is description trip. This is true. And last one is description. This is a custom field for product. So we completed our first step. Let's try to check. For that, let's activate the plugin. Plugin activated. Try to create new product. Let's go to general section. Let's see, our custom field is showing. So our first step is done. So now we have to save our data. For that, in the same way, in add action, we have to use another WooCommerce hook. It's called WooCommerce underscore process. Product meta. WooCommerce process product meta. So in this hook, and our callback function name, save custom field. The naming is totally up to you. Just we have to careful to conflict with others. The function, our callback function, and we have to pass our post ID here. So we need a parameter. So now let's create a variable custom field, and we have to check first our custom field is set or not. For that is set $_post. Let's catch the value. For that our custom field, and we are using a ternary operator, and always sanitize the value when you are taking input from user. This is our custom field. So this is done. Now we have to update data. For that we have to use update post meta, and we have to pass our ID, and the second parameter is our field, custom field. Third one is our data. So let's check it's saving or not. Let's give a custom product name. I'm filling just very basic info, and this is our custom info. Let's try to publish. Go to general section. Let's see it's saved successfully. So now we have to show this data here. This is our last step, display our data. Add action, and here is our hook is WooCommerce single product summary. Let's give a callback function name, display custom field, on the product page. In the function with our callback function. So here we have to set product globally. For that, global and our product, like we do WPDB, and we have to get our value for that custom field, and get post meta. Here is our product ID, and this is our field and our custom field, and last is true. So now here we have to check first our field is empty or not, otherwise it can throw error. And we have to echo, and there is basic HTML. Let's create a div. In this div we have to concat our data, custom field, and here ESC HTML, our custom field, custom data. So it's okay. Let's go to the browser. Yes, it's coming successfully. So let's try to update this data. In the browser, let's refresh. It's saved, and in the browser refresh. Yes, is coming. Yes, it's okay. If we deactivate our plugin, refresh, custom field gone, and if we try to active again, so everything okay, and we successfully create our plugin and display our data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and to encourage me.